Starting your Nissan wrong on a cold morning can cost you an engine. I've seen Maximas and Rogues develop serious engine wear from common winter habits that slowly destroy performance and lead to expensive repairs. 1. Revving your Nissan. Immediately after a cold start. This is one of the fastest ways I've seen Nissan engines wear out early, especially on VQ35DE Maximas and newer VC Turbo Altimas. When you rev immediately, oil hasn't reached critical components yet. At cold temperatures, oil is thick and slow, so bearings, camshafts, and turbo components run almost dry for those first seconds. I've seen engines develop ticking noises and premature wear just from this habit. On turbo Nissans, like the Altima VC Turbo, revving cold can damage the turbo bearings. A turbo replacement alone can cost around $1,500 to $3,000 compared to just waiting 30 seconds for proper oil flow. Warning signs include rough idle ticking sounds and delayed throttle response, and if ignored, it leads to long-term internal wear. The fix is simple. Start the car, let it idle for about 30 to 60 seconds, then drive gently while keeping RPMs low until the engine fully warms up. This small habit can easily save you thousands over time. 2. Letting your Nissan idle for 10 to 15 minutes. A lot of Nissan owners still believe idling their car for 10 or 15 minutes protects the engine. I can tell you from experience, it does the opposite. Modern Nissans like the Rogue, Sentra, and Pathfinder are designed to warm up faster under light driving, not sitting still. When your engine idles for too long, it stays in its worst operating condition. Cold oil, rich fuel mixture, and incomplete combustion all continue longer than necessary. I've seen engines build carbon deposits and fuel dilution issues just from excessive idling habits. Fuel washing into the oil reduces lubrication, which increases wear on piston rings and cylinder walls. Over time, this can lead to loss of compression and expensive engine work, easily costing $2,000 to $4,000. You might notice poor fuel economy or a rough-running engine over time. The correct method is to let the engine idle briefly and then drive gently. This warms the engine faster, improves lubrication, and reduces long-term damage. Long idling doesn't protect your Nissan. Instead, it slowly destroys it. 3. Using the wrong oil weight. Oil choice matters more than most people think, especially in cold weather. Nissan engines like the QR25DE in the Altima and Rogue and the VC turbo engines are designed for specific oil viscosities like 0W20. I've seen people use thicker oils, such as 10W30, thinking it offers better protection. In cold weather, that decision can backfire badly because thicker oil flows slower, leaving critical engine parts unprotected for longer during startup. The delay in lubrication leads to metal-on-metal contact. Over time, it wears down bearings, cam lobes, and timing components. I've seen engines develop knocking issues that could have been avoided just by using the correct oil. Fixing internal engine damage can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000, while using the right oil costs almost nothing extra. Warning signs include louder cold starts, sluggish performance, and increased engine noise. Always follow Nissan's recommended oil grade, especially in cold climates where lower W ratings like 0W are critical for faster flow and proper engine protection. The right oil ensures faster flow, quicker protection, and a much longer engine life. 4. Ignoring that Nissan CVTs need warm-up too. One thing most Nissan owners overlook is that the CVT transmission also suffers in cold weather. Models like the Altima, Sentra, and Rogue heavily rely on CVTs, and I've seen many fail early due to poor cold start habits. CVT fluid becomes thick in low temperatures, just like engine oil. If you start driving aggressively right away, the transmission struggles to circulate fluid properly, causing internal belt and pulley wear. I've seen CVTs develop jerking, slipping, and delayed engagement from repeated cold abuse, and over time, this damage builds up until the transmission eventually fails completely. A CVT replacement can cost between $3,500 and $5,500 compared to just driving gently for a few minutes. Warning signs include hesitation when shifting into drive, jerky acceleration, and whining noises. After starting your Nissan, let it idle briefly, then drive gently. Avoid sudden acceleration for the first few minutes, as this allows the fluid to warm up and flow properly. Treat your CVT carefully in cold weather, as it's one of the most expensive parts in your Nissan. 5. Accelerating hard within the first minute. I've seen this mistake destroy engines faster than people expect. Flooring the accelerator right after starting your Nissan puts massive stress on cold internal components. At that moment, oil hasn't fully circulated, and metal parts haven't expanded to proper tolerances. When you accelerate hard, pistons, bearings, and cylinder walls take the impact. In engines like the VQ35 or QR25, this repeated stress leads to premature wear, knocking, and reduced lifespan. Repairs can easily reach $2,000 to $5,000 depending on damage. You might notice engine knocking, reduced performance, or increased oil consumption over time. Drive gently for the first 5 to 10 minutes, keeping RPMs low and avoiding sudden acceleration. The short period of patience protects your engine from long-term damage because hard driving can wait, but engine wear cannot be reversed. 6. Skipping oil changes in winter. Cold weather already makes oil thicker, and when it's old or overdue, the problem becomes even worse. I've seen Nissan engines, especially in Rogues and Altimas, come in with sludge buildup just from neglected winter oil changes. Old oil loses its ability to flow and protect. In cold starts, it moves even slower, leaving internal parts exposed longer. Over time, this creates sludge deposits that block oil passages and starve the engine of lubrication. Once sludge builds up, repairs get expensive fast. Cleaning a sludged engine can cost $1,000 plus, but if it leads to engine failure, you're looking at $4,000 to $7,000. Warning signs include darker oil, rough idle, and sluggish performance. Change your oil on time, or even earlier in winter if you do short trips. Fresh oil flows better, protects faster, and keeps your engine clean. 7. Using low-quality fuel in cold weather. I've seen Nissan engines, especially direct injection ones like the VC Turbo Altima, struggle badly with low-quality fuel. In cold weather, fuel needs to vaporize properly, but poor quality fuel forms larger droplets that lead to incomplete combustion, causing misfires, rough starts, and fuel washing into the oil. Over time, this damages spark plugs, injectors, and even catalytic converters. A catalytic converter replacement alone can cost $1,000 to $2,500. Warning signs include hesitation, rough idle, and poor fuel economy. The solution is simple. Use high-quality fuel, especially in winter. Stick to reputable stations, and avoid cheap, inconsistent fuel. It's a small cost difference up front, but it prevents major repair bills later. 8. Short trips only. This is one of the most common mistakes I see, especially in city driving. Short trips in cold weather never allow your Nissan engine to fully warm up, and that creates long-term problems most drivers don't notice right away. When the engine stays cold, unburned fuel and moisture accumulate in the oil. This is called fuel dilution, and it weakens your oil's ability to properly lubricate and protect internal components. I've seen engines from Altimas and Rogues develop excessive wear just from repeated short trips. Over time, this leads to sludge buildup, increased friction, and internal damage that can cost thousands. Warning signs include rising oil levels, a strong fuel smell in the oil, reduced performance, and lower fuel efficiency. The fix is simple. Take your car for a longer drive at least once a week, about 20 to 30 minutes at highway speed, to burn off moisture and fuel buildup. If short trips are unavoidable, consider more frequent oil changes. It's far cheaper than replacing an engine. 9. Ignoring rough idle or tapping sounds. Your Nissan tells you when something is wrong, especially during cold starts. I've seen many cases where drivers ignored early warning sounds, and it ended up costing them heavily because the issue kept getting worse over time. Tapping noises, rough idle, or slight knocking are often signs of oil not reaching parts quickly enough or early wear starting inside the engine. Cold starts make these issues more noticeable because everything is under more stress. In engines like the VQ series, these sounds can indicate valve train wear. In newer engines, it can point to timing components, chain tensioners, or lubrication issues developing. Ignoring these early signs can lead to major failures, where what starts as a minor noise turns into serious internal damage. Repairs can escalate from a simple fix to a full engine rebuild, costing $3,000 to $6,000 or more. The moment you hear unusual sounds, get it checked, as early diagnosis can save thousands. Ignoring small signs usually leads to big problems. 10. Weak battery and slow cranking. Cold weather cuts battery performance in half. I've seen Nissan vehicles struggle to start just because the battery couldn't deliver enough power, especially in colder climates where temperatures drop overnight. When your engine cranks slowly, it takes longer for oil to circulate. This means more time where parts are running without proper lubrication, increasing friction inside the engine. This increases wear significantly, especially during cold starts, and every slow start adds up over time, gradually shortening engine life. A weak battery can also leave you stranded, but more importantly, it accelerates engine wear every time you start the car. A battery costs around $120 to $250, compared to engine damage that can easily run into thousands. Warning signs include slow cranking, dim lights, electrical glitches, and difficulty starting. Test your battery before winter, replace it if needed, and clean the terminals to ensure proper connections. A strong battery protects both your start and your engine. If this is helping you avoid expensive mistakes, make sure to like and subscribe. Most Nissan owners don't realize these habits are costing them thousands until it's too late. Stay ahead of it, because one simple airflow issue later on can quietly cause more damage than most people expect. 11. Not waiting for proper oil flow before driving. Turbocharged Nissans, like the Altima VC Turbo, are especially sensitive to oil flow during cold starts. I've seen turbo failures happen simply because drivers didn't give the engine a few seconds before moving, especially on colder mornings. The turbo spins at extremely high speeds and depends entirely on a steady flow of oil for proper lubrication and cooling. During cold starts, the oil is thick and slow, so it cannot reach the turbo bearings quickly enough. The lack of protection increases friction right from the start, putting stress on delicate internal components. This leads to accelerated wear, overheating, and eventually turbo failure. Over time, repeated cold stress can permanently damage the turbo shaft, bearings, and seals, significantly shortening the lifespan of the entire turbo system. Turbo replacements can cost anywhere from $1,500 to $3,500, sometimes more depending on the model and labor. Warning signs include whining noises, reduced power, delayed boost response, and even smoke from the exhaust. Let the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds before driving, then drive gently until the oil warms up. The small delay can save you from a very expensive repair. 12. Driving a cold Nissan CVT aggressively. Nissan CVTs are sensitive, especially in cold weather. I've seen drivers destroy them early by accelerating aggressively right after startup, particularly in models like the Altima, Sentra, and Rogue, where the CVT is heavily relied on. Cold CVT fluid doesn't flow properly. It becomes thick and sluggish, which means it can't lubricate or protect internal components the way it should. When you push the transmission hard during this phase, you're forcing the belt and pulleys to operate under stress without proper lubrication. This leads to slipping, overheating, and increased internal wear. Over time, this damage builds up and eventually leads to complete transmission failure. A CVT replacement can cost between $4,000 and $6,000, sometimes even more, depending on the model, compared to simply driving gently for a few minutes. Warning signs include jerking, delayed response, whining noises, and inconsistent acceleration. Drive gently after startup. Avoid sudden acceleration, and give the transmission time to warm up. Treat your CVT carefully when cold, as it's one of the most expensive parts in your Nissan. 13. Ignoring faulty sensors. Your Nissan relies heavily on sensors during cold starts. One of the most important is the coolant temperature sensor, especially in modern engines like the Altima's VC Turbo or the Rogue's QR25. This sensor tells the engine exactly how cold it is, so it can adjust fuel delivery properly. I've seen cases where a faulty sensor sends incorrect data to the engine computer. When that happens, the ECU makes the wrong decision during startup. It might inject too much fuel or not enough, and both situations cause problems. Too much fuel floods the engine, washing oil off cylinder walls and reducing lubrication, while too little fuel leads to hard starts, rough idle, and poor combustion. Over time, this leads to poor performance, increased internal wear, and damage to components like spark plugs, injectors, and catalytic converters. Repairs can range from a simple $100 sensor replacement to thousands if engine or exhaust components are affected. Warning signs include hard starts, poor fuel economy, rough idle, and check engine lights. Always scan for codes and fix sensor issues early before they turn into bigger problems. 14. Clogged air filter and dirty throttle body. Airflow is critical during cold starts. I've seen Nissan engines struggle just because of a dirty air filter or a clogged throttle body, especially in models like the Altima and Rogue. In cold weather, the engine already has a harder time balancing air and fuel, so any restriction makes things worse. Restricted airflow throws off the air-fuel mixture, making cold starts rough, unstable, and inefficient. The engine may run too rich or too lean, both of which reduce combustion efficiency and increase stress on internal components. This leads to poor combustion, increased carbon buildup, and long-term engine wear. Over time, carbon deposits can affect valves, injectors, and even the catalytic converter, turning a small maintenance issue into a much bigger problem. A simple air filter costs around $20 to $40, while ignoring it can lead to issues costing hundreds, or even over $1,000 if other components are affected. Warning signs include rough idle, reduced power, hesitation, and poor fuel economy. Replace your air filter regularly and clean the throttle body when needed. It's a small maintenance step that makes a big difference. 15. Pumping the gas pedal on startup. This is an old habit that still causes problems today. I've seen people pump the gas pedal when starting their Nissan, thinking it helps, especially on cold mornings when the engine feels sluggish or slow to respond. It feels like you're helping the engine start, but in reality, you're doing the opposite. The habit comes from older carbureted engines, where pumping the pedal helped deliver more fuel. But modern Nissan engines don't work that way anymore since everything is controlled electronically. Modern Nissan engines are fuel-injected and managed by an ECU that automatically adjusts the air-fuel mixture during cold starts. It already knows exactly how much fuel your engine needs, and when you press the gas pedal, you interfere with those calculations. Instead of helping, you can flood the engine, disrupt the air-fuel mixture, and make starting harder. In some cases, the engine may crank longer, struggle to start, or even fail completely. Repeated flooding can damage spark plugs, foul injectors, and increase fuel dilution in the oil. Over time, that weakens lubrication and accelerates internal engine wear, especially in engines like the QR25 and VC Turbo. Fixing those issues can cost hundreds, while avoiding the habit costs nothing. The correct way is simple. Turn the key, let the system do its job, and keep your foot off the gas, because modern engines are smarter than old habits. These small cold start habits decide whether your Nissan lasts years or fails early. Fix them now, because the next oil change mistake can destroy engines even faster without warning. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more.